Welcome to my channel. This tutorial demonstrates how to take a 3D scan using size stream technology and convert it to a custom avatar in CLO. This is an abbreviated version of a workshop previously offered for Patreon subscribers where we explored applications of this technology on a range of body types and gender presentations. If you'd like to keep up to date with other projects and upcoming workshops, join my Patreon. Let's get started. This is what a size stream avatar looks like when imported into CLO. It is a fairly accurate 3D representation of the person who took the scan, and they did it by themselves on their own phone. SizeStream is a company that offers custom scanning services. I currently have access through a yearly subscription. I signed up with them directly. I am not associated with SizeStream, but you can reach out to them about how to access their technology using the link in the description. To take a SizeStream scan, you must first provide the user with a unique link to download the SizeStream app. This link will prompt them to download the app, and then the next step is just for them to follow the instructions on the screen. The app will ask for your name, gender, age, height, and weight. Then it will ask you to stand face forward and then to the side. That's it. Note that for the scan to be as accurate as possible, the user must wear skin-tight clothing in a well-lit area with a simple background. This example setup is not the best, as the shirt does not follow the contours of the body. You will see in the final scan, this excess fabric will be interpreted as body tissue and will be included in the scan. You can opt to wear undergarments, as they will not be included in the scan, and ultimately the person receiving the model will never know. Once the scan is complete, the 3D model is sent to the personal portal of whoever link you used to download the app. I just go to the website and I download it as an OBJ file. A spreadsheet of over 200 body measurements are also available on the website, but I prefer to reference my own hand-taken measurements instead if I have them available. Once I have the OBJ, all I have to do is import it into CLO. To do this, rather than just importing the OBJ by itself, I like to go to the avatar option in the main menu and then choose Auto Convert to Avatar. For settings, I first just choose the OBJ from my desktop, and then it'll ask what gender to choose, and I will just choose the gender that's closest. If I don't know the gender, or if the gender doesn't necessarily represent the body type offered, then I will sometimes try more than one option and then see what gives me the best results. For converting option, I just choose automatic, and then we choose our avatar formats. I will go over what these all mean in a moment, but I generally recommend selecting all options and then seeing which one imports the best after the fact. Then you can type in the name for the file and then select the location on your computer that you want these 3 types of avatars to be saved. Then click Convert. CLO will then take a little bit of time to morph their default avatar into the shape of the avatar you provided. This is for the CLO default skin avatar. Now you can see all 3 converted avatars, and they have also been saved to your computer. First, this is the CLO skin style, which uses the CLO skin, the mesh, and the rig, but it doesn't allow use of avatar editor. The rigging only option is next, which essentially is the same exact as the SizeStream model that was given to you, but they added rigging. And then last is the size editable version, which altered the model slightly so it would work in CLO's avatar editor. It also applied the rig, but no skin or remeshing. Once the avatars are in the system, I recommend double checking measurements against the user's photographs and their measurements if available. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.